joined by Sukdeep Sachdev, the Global CEO of Leader Healthcare. How are you?
I'm good, thank you very much. And how about you?
Oh, I'm very well, thank you. Are you
Awesome.
enjoying the show?
Absolutely, it has been very energizing from the day one, and the team is excited, and we met a lot of visitors so far, so it's been good so far. Yeah, it's good.
Excellent news. So tell us a bit about your critical care and resuscitation solutions.
When we talk about the critical care and the resuscitation solutions, the focus that we have got is on human heart. The philosophy that we've got is that every heartbeat counts. And we work with a company called Zoll. They are from the United States, and they are the pioneers in the resuscitation and critical care technologies. So I've been working with them personally as a leadership team for the last 25 years, and the whole aspect is about saving human lives, right? So every heart is important, as I said. So those are the solutions we offer. It's like from a pre-hospital, imagine a person on the street, if they have a sudden cardiac attack and we pick them up, give them the initial first aid solutions, and then take them to the hospital in an ambulance environment. So from, like it's a recovery from a pre-hospital to the ambulance to the hospital environment. So we give them a total package, and the team works not just on the product, but on the complete program, on the training, from a paramedic to a clinician, and that's what we do at Leader Healthcare.
And can you tell us about your healthcare consumables, your hospital consumables specifically?
See, what happens is it's very important. We do supply a lot of capital equipments in the hospitals, and the base of the capital equipment is like, so you have to have a continuous supply chain management for disposables that go along with that. And there are certain disposables that go side by, like say for example, as a package that goes on a standby. So we have a complete supply chain management team here in our warehouse in Dubai, Silicon Oasis. We work along with the healthcare providers, like be it the government authorities, public hospitals, and we provide them a complete, like kind of a turnkey solutions, like when it comes to consumables.
And can you tell us about your healthcare solutions?
See, when we say healthcare solutions, it's about I started talking to people, like it's not about delivering boxes. I often tell them that if you need boxes, go to Amazon. But when you come to leaders, we can connect the dots. We offer you a total turnkey solutions, that end-to-end solutions. We normally go as a visioning process to the hospitals, understand their initial requirements, and then come out with a proposal. So we have got a complete turnkey solutions team, which is the hospital management solutions, and they work on that, and it has been a very, very successful so far.
And can you tell us about your healthcare simulation solutions?
Oh, wow, that's my favorite subject. We have listened to the nation leaders, they talk about that. Education drives the economy. Simulation is nothing, but it's a kind of a philosophy of building skill sets. And skill set can begin from a nurse, to a paramedic, to a clinician, or a super clinician who could be a postgraduate surgeon that is in the making, right? So we work along with universities here, medical colleges, nursing colleges, and we build the skill sets. Again, it's like a turnkey solutions, and we are the leaders in the field of simulation in the whole Gulf countries. And we are truly becoming a global company when it comes to simulation solutions. And you can see some of them here at our booth today.
And can you tell us about your operating room solutions as well?
See, again, when it comes to OR, typically we call it as in a short form operating room environment. That goes about modular operating theaters, which are totally risk-free, which is like we want to create in today's environment, especially in the view of pandemic. What we do is we create isolating room within the theater, and we provide them like with the turnkey solutions, again, from an operating room bed to a light, to whatever the surgical theater needs would be, that's being fulfilled by the team.
Brilliant. And finally, tell us about dermatology and aesthetics and what you're doing in that area.
I think you should try our treatment and come to our experience hub in Dubai Science Park. We are the pioneers, we are the leaders in the field of derma-aesthetic solutions. What we do it starts from a simple skincare product line to a complex lasers. So we have got a team of people, depending on the type of the skin the doctor is treating on, or type of the equipment they're looking for. So we have a solutions total from a complete equipment to a skincare product line. And those products, like we are talking about, somebody wants to have a scar removal, we have got a laser for that. You had a tattoo and now you decided to remove the tattoos, we have got lasers for that. So it's like a complete product line offering a comprehensive range that we do. Again, we have got a team of 25 talented people throughout Gulf countries, and we do like great. I take a pride in saying that we make people beautiful. So.
What a statement, I love it. And how are you enjoying Arab Health?
Oh, fantastic. I was telling somebody, this is my 31 years in Arab Health, right? So every time, like you see, people often tell me, what are you? Like, you're always passionate, like for 30 years you make the same talk. How could you do that? A great show, and we are proud to be representing here as, or normally we have been the platinum sponsors all the year. And next year we're looking forward to a really big show here.